Today, I introduce a new topic with the first editing cinematic film. A long time ago, I started my YouTube channel, and I was afraid because I'm an introvert people, and for a long time I was so scared about judgments and haters. But this pandemic time pushed me out of my comfortable zone. I had to be faced with the adversity and diversity. Suffering is unavoidable. But I realized it was an opportunity for me to launch my different projects about industrial design, language, and gymnastics. Until now, whatever circumstances, I have no excuse to blame myself. I do my best every single day. I struggle myself against the doubt. I try to overcome my stress and anxiety to become better. And I know the process takes time, and I have to be patient to reach my goals, and I'll do it. I'll do it. Today, I want to improve my editing video from my YouTube channel, Design Your Life. Design Your Life is more than a channel. It is a vision, a process, a big project of my life, a passion, a lifestyle I want to share you. Thanks.